Hey, I'm Neba, this is CRISPR, and today I want to share my notes on how we can transform a simple dragon fruit into a luxurious skin elixir, aka a dragon fruit face mask. I also want to nerd out and get into the details of why dragon fruit is so good so you can add it to your skincare arsenal. We'll be doing a 1 or 2 ingredient mask, which is nice and easy, simple, perfect for if you're feeling kind of lazy. It's a good gateway into dragon fruit and basically how to get your skin radiant and glowing. If you've ever made an aloe mask, you'll know that this mask is so much simpler. The two are pretty comparable in hydration, but the dragon fruit mask is much easier. So let's get into it. I did some dragon fruit makeup to get into the vibe of this video. The reddish pink of a dragon fruit is so hard to replicate, but I did my best. Dragon fruit isn't just a tasty treat, it's also really good for your skin. Eating it also helps benefit your skin because it has a lot of vitamin B6, which helps regulate your hormones, which can reduce breakouts and also reduce your sebum production. It's a champion for skin health and anti-aging. That vibrant color that it has are from the beta-lignans, which will also protect your skin and hair from oxidative stress and give you a glowing, radiant appearance. It also contains vitamins B1, B2, and B3, which are all vital for your skin and hair. The vitamin C in particular helps boost collagen production, which helps maintain your skin elasticity and also prevents premature aging. It's also filled with antioxidants that help fight off free radicals. It also has a ton of water, which means it's a really good moisturizer to prevent dry skin and hair, and it also has niacin, which is a natural remedy for acne and also regulates oil and reduces inflammation. For more stories about plants and their uses in beauty and skincare, you can check out my socials. Alright, now onto the fun part, is making the mask. So first we're going to scoop out the flesh and grind it into a smooth paste. Dragon fruit alone is a powerhouse of nutrients for your skin, but we're not going to stop there. Bless you. So once you have that paste, you can have 2 options depending on what your skin needs. Option 1 is if you want something simple and easy, you can just take that paste directly onto your skin. This is great if you want a no fuss or just lazy approach, but since it has so many vitamins and antioxidants, it can really help soothe irritated skin, reducing redness, and makes it perfect for a calming effect. Option 2 is if you want a boost of hydration, you can add a little bit of honey, which is a natural humectant to help lock in that moisturizer and leave your skin feeling really hydrated and really soft. Whatever option you choose, apply your mask evenly all over your face, avoid your eyes. Editing Neba here, I forgot to say that you definitely don't want to be pushing dirt deeper into your face, so please clean your face first. Put it on for at least 15 minutes, I left mine on for longer, and just use this time to have a nice little self-care moment. Afterwards, you can wash it off with warm water and gently pat your skin dry, and voila, it's perfect for keeping your skin healthy, glowing, and just radiant. If you tried out this mask, please let me know in the comments because I'm just one person with one skin type and I'd love to hear your feedback about how it worked for you too. But here's the thing, even though the dragon fruit mask is really good for skin health and radiance, if you're on the hunt for something really targeted super acne treatments or intensive anti-aging, you might want to consider other options that'll suit you better. For instance, even though this dragon fruit mask is really good at hydrating, if you are looking for deep pore cleansing and oil control, you might want to try a clay mask. Or if you want more anti-aging, you might want to use something with retinol or hyaluronic acid. It's all about finding what works best for your skin, and there's no need to worry about it too much because all your skin's going to have a variety of needs. It's going to cycle through, so it's good to rotate through your different spells and potions. So you can kind of think of this fruit mask as a single spell in your enchantment arsenal, but not necessarily your entire spell book. So should my next notes be about skincare with papayas, bananas, aloe vera, or maybe something else entirely? Let me know in the comments below and I'll see you on the next page.